Hi, I'm Jane Peyton. I'm the principal of the School of Booze. I'm in one of my favourite London pubs, the Victoria in Paddington. Today's tutorial is about beer. Is there any dairy in milk stout? Milk stout is a sub-style of the stout family. It contains a sugar called lactose. That's a milk sugar. So it's not whole milk that's in the beer, but it has been derived from milk. Now, why do brewers do this? Well, it can add body to the beer and it adds a sweetness as well. Some brewers of low alcohol beers will add lactose to really bulk up the body of it and give mouthfeel to the beer and give a creaminess. Now, those beers aren't necessarily called milk, whatever they are, but you can get milk porters, milk milds, and they will have the lactose in there specifically for that sweeter character that you get from them and from the body as well. Here at the School of Booze, we do our homework in the pub, and these are the textbooks. It's actually the same book, but different title and different cover. You can buy them from my website and I'll send you a signed copy. Cheers.